Okay, William, we're back. Did our tune alignment, our mods, electrolytic upgrades, voltage regulator upgrades, ERF 2030 plus upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. That you said about 1.5 watts. Hello, hello, hello. It'll do about 22 bird average. So you're already doing thousands of percent more than what you was. Roll it all the way up. 20 watt dead key. Hello. About 60 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Nope, sorry, we are in average. Let's go to peak. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll the carrier all the way down. 1.5 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. All right, William, there you go. I think you're really going to enjoy this. It's going to drive your amplifier nicely. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump up. Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for William in Kentucky on this Anytone at-6666, also known as the Quad 6. William, let's show you what we got right here. This is directly from you. 50 watt slug. You're keying about 2 watts all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. And it swings to about 5 watts bird average. Peak power, 100 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio, audio, audio. And does about 65 peak. Now when we roll it up, obviously you're going to see more average power. That's 8 watts. Hello. Going to 11 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Get up around 83 watts. So William, what we're going to do, we're going to get to this thing and get it set up correctly. You'll have a lot more bird average swing, and you'll have some more peak as well. We're going to do the voltage regulator upgrade as well, and the ERF 2030 pluses. We shall return. Stay tuned.